Well, it's the first major snowstorm of the season. Thought I'd get out and take a look. Well, here's the first snow of January, and we got dumped on. So this is Anderson Pond. It's been frozen over, and now we have about a foot of snow on top. Let's take a little walk. There's a path that goes all the way around the pond. It's cold and windy. We have no power, which is pretty much expected in these storms. Yeah, it's about 2 o'clock. Power company said it would be about 11:30 we get power back. So last time they told us that it was 2 days.